Hello, I'm Jorge Vila from Valencia, Spain. As a marketer and computer developer, I create programs for my own business, rigorously test them, and then bring the best ones to Warrior Plus and other platforms for everybody to benefit from. Are you struggling to get visits to your offer? Do you find it challenging to attract eyeballs to your promotions? Or know how to make a living through affiliate marketing? In today's fast-paced digital world, it can be tough to convert visitors into leads. That's why you need a smarter solution, IQ Lead Magnet 2025. This cutting-edge cloud-based tool is your ultimate shortcut to crafting professional, high-converting campaigns effortlessly. Why IQ Lead Magnet? Let's face it, building landing pages, setting up lead magnets, and tracking performance can be overwhelming. But with IQ Lead Magnet, you can skip the tech headaches. Here's how it works. Bring traffic fast. Learn to drive hundreds of visits to any offer or promotion in less than 10 minutes. Stunning templates. Choose from beautiful pre-designed templates for opt-ins, sales pages, and more. Easy customization. Customize in minutes with no coding or hosting required. Advanced analytics. Perform and optimize conversions effortlessly. It's that simple. Proven success IQ Lead Magnet has been transforming strategies for users worldwide for 18 months and was named Product of the Day on the EB2 platform. And now I'm proud to be bringing this 2025 version to Warrior Plus. From beginners to seasoned pros, users are raving about how this tool saves time, boosts leads, and maximizes sales, all without the need for any technical skills. All in one solution. Imagine having everything you need to grow your email list and drive sales, all in one place. Whether you're launching a product, expanding your affiliate marketing business, or building a brand, IQ Lead Magnet 2025 is your secret weapons for success. Try before you buy. I've prepared an interactive state-of-the-art training like you've never seen before. Explore this page to have a look. Yes, you can try before you buy. Tired of shiny object that promise riches in no time with no effort? Let's be realistic. Those don't exist. That's why this product focuses on maximizing your efforts with tools and knowledge so you'll never miss your shot. Take action today. What are you waiting for? Take control of your affiliate marketing journey today. Click buy button below and let IQ Lead Magnet 2025 turn visitors into loyal customers. Your path to effortless marketing starts now.